Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created these cute, easy press-on nails. If you are interested, stay tuned. I have already prepped these nail tips. These are full cover extra long stiletto nail tips that I got from Amazon. They will be linked below, so check the description box if you are interested. The nail polish that we are using is from Model 1s. It is a pretty baby pink color. As you can see, we use this a lot because we are running out. We're going to use this as the base for all of our nail tips. We're going to go in with 2 coats. This polish will also be linked down below in the description box, so if you are interested, check there. How is everyone doing? Today is Sunday, June 23rd. It is 3:12 in the afternoon. I hope everyone is having a great weekend, great month, great day. If you are having a good day, go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comments section. And if you're not having the best day, I do hope that my video brings you some joy. If you have not noticed already, we did do a slight rebrand. I am now going by Nails by Lynn. If you don't know, Lynn is my nickname, so that's where that comes from. And I just wanted the channel to reflect more so of what it is that I'm doing in my videos. That way I can bring in a larger audience, of course. I am now also offering nails full time. So if you are in the Cleveland, Ohio area and you need your nails done, hit your girl up. I am __ nails by Lynn __ on Instagram. If you guys like the new logo, the new banner, and all of the things, let me know down in the comments section. Now that we've applied our base, we are going to take this other pink from Model 1s. It's a little bit darker, and we're just going to outline. Essentially, it is a French tip, but it's a very skinny French tip. now that we've done our outline or French tip, whatever you want to call it, we are going to apply some builder base gel. This is a milli. It is from Amazon. It will be linked down below. After we put the builder base gel on, we are going to go over that with the a milli top coat. And this is just going to act as our adhesive. We are going to apply these pearls. They are the regular colored pearls, just white. I got them from Amazon. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. And we're just going to apply, I believe, 3 or 4. We're going to apply them big to small. And then after that, we are done. I do show you all how I apply the press-on nails to my nails. I've already prepped my nails and all of that, so I just go in with the glue and apply them. But if you're not interested in that part, I understand. I do just want to thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. And I will talk to you guys next time.